Hello guys, welcome to today's video. So in this video I'll be showing us site that can pay us in cash here in Nigeria, how to make money in Nigeria. So I'll be showing us this site. So I'll be dropping the link of this site to the description below. So when you just go to the description, it will take you exactly to this site and you start making your earning. So the name of this site is ML Trust. So you can go search mltrust.com. So you start, you get to this site and you fill in your referral, you sign up. So I have an account with them, so I'll just show you how to sign up first before we do any other thing. So you just click on your username. You can click on your username as I put sausage on my own. So you can just go put your username, your number. Then when you click on your number, you click on this send. They will send you a code, a number. So when then you send the number, copy it and paste here, or just type the number here. So once you do that, you put your email twice, like you put your email and you verify your email, like you write your email also. Sorry, your password, you put your password and you retype your password here. Then this invitation code, you just leave it. There will be a number there, just leave it like that. Then you click on this small box here that shows that you have agreed to their terms and conditions. So when you do that, you click on sign up. So when you click on sign up, it will now take you to the site. Right away I will be clicking on login because I have an account with them. So when you do that, you now log in and put your phone number and your password. So this is I'll just click on login. So when I log in now, it take us to the dashboard. So this site, the site will take us. Actually, you can see 4 naira here. So when you just sign in, they will be giving you 244 naira signing bonus. Yeah, that's what I'll be giving you. So I'll show you how the site was put. This site is an investment site. Yes, it's an investment site. So but the minimum you can deposit here is 3,000, and you can also, and the minimum withdrawal here is 3,000. So look at where you can make your earnings from this site. As you can see here, look at people that have earned from here. This one, look at this username of 8,300. This one 82,000. Look at different earnings here. So when you just go, when you deposit, I'll show us how to deposit first. When you want to deposit, you come to this icon that look like human being here, that's the right to me. So when you come here, you see recharge and withdraw. So you click on recharge. When you click on recharge, then look at you see pay. This is the available prices I have here. I'll still come to that. I will tell you how to make money from this site even without depositing, but actually you have to deposit to make bigger earning. So I'll still show you how to do that. Then after, when you come to this point, for you to deposit, maybe you want to deposit the one of 3,000, you come to naira here and click 3,000 naira. So when you click on 3,000 naira, you go to recharge confirm. You can watch the recharge tutorial to understand it more, but you just click on recharge confirm. So when you click on recharge confirm, so it will now load, like it's just loading now. So and the minimum you can recharge here is 3,000, I think. Yeah, so you can recharge here 3,000. So they say pop up. Okay, so I have to close my ID something. Now when it loads, look at what you see here. You see the amount you want to deposit here, which is 3,000. You see bank transfer. So you just look at the bank, look at the account you are sending the money to. Look at the name of the bank, Wema, and look at the name here, Nini International Commerce. So and look at the account number. So when you just do that, they say this account is verified for one time. Please do not transfer multiple times. So that's in one. What is it that once you deposit, your account will be verified instantly. So once you go ahead, send the money to this account, then I'll go back to the page. Then you come here at the right pay and click on pay. That means they will confirm your payment. Actually, then when you make your payment, you will come here. You come here and start making some money from this site. You come to this second icon here. When you come to the second icon, you can now go to buy. Okay, still loading. So it's still loading. You just go to here that they write buy. Click on buy here. When you click on buy, they will be paying you 210 naira every single day till, I think you're going 210 naira 3 times a day. So you'll be earning up to 610 naira from this site with your referral bonus every day. So you can, before a week, you've actually gotten your deposit here from this site. So that does it. Within a week, you've gotten your deposit. So once you click on it, you just click on all this buy here. So you just click on all this buy here. So when you just be clicking on it and you get paid. So you just click on the one that is equivalent to the money you deposited in this site and start making your earnings. So when you click on the third icon here, that looks like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth something, when you just click on this icon, then this is where you see your where people your team, the people you've added to this site. So anybody you put to this site and the person deposit, you get 7% commission from the person's earning, and the person you deposit brings another person, you get 3% commission, and that person that was brought, if the person brings another person again, you're getting 2% commission. So you keep earning to your third generation from this site. So that's the team. Yes, I'll be dropping the referral link. You just have to sign in and start making your earnings. So when you just click on this, your home, okay, when you click on the home page, this is what you just see. So you can go ahead and read what is written here, or you can just remove it by clicking the X. So you can also come here and recharge and do some many other tasks. So I'll be showing us how to earn again from this tasks using using your balance box here. So I'll be showing us on that pattern. I'll just do a review on it and show you how to withdraw using your balance box here, guys. So just go ahead and sign in using the file link I'll be dropping in the description below.
The other ways for you to earn, I just want to keep it short. You click on sign in and you sign in every day, you get bonus. And once you get the bonus on your balance, move the bonus straight to your balance box for you to be getting daily income. Like you can see now, this money now is money I made through balance box and every other thing.
So what the review is saying that anytime you come to this site, you go to this box, you see sign in here. So just click on this sign in. When you click on sign in here, it will just load for you. So it will just load to this page. So what you do here, just to click on this sign in, this yellow box circle that is the row sign in. When you just click on it, they will pay you for just doing that. So just click on this, and as you can see now, continue. They have been paid for this sign in. So when each day you come to this side, just do this, and you see your balance will just increase. So I'll go back now and show you what I was saying. So look at, I have 4 naira here before, right? You guys can see the additional 20 have been added to, which is 21 naira now. So that's another way you can be earning from this side, despite you deposit or you do not deposit. So like I'll be showing my balance box now. When I go to balance box, I'll be showing you some. Okay, let me refresh the page. Alright, once I refresh the page, you see I have 250 naira here. That means I've transferred it to 250 naira. So what I have to do is just to go back to my page, which is 24 naira. I have to transfer it back to my balance box. Why I have to do so that they'll be generating some percentage for me every single day. So I'll just go here that I have transfer in. When I click on transfer in, I have 24 naira. I'll just click transfer in. I'll put the amount here. Maybe I'll just let me transfer the 20 naira that just they give me. So I'll just click on transfer in. So they'll just transfer back that 20 naira now. Look at it. The sum of 20 naira will be added. Plus the one I transferred earlier, which is 250 for this 20. So I'll just be doing it like this. At this point now, I'll be having, okay, like I have daily percent of, I just refresh it now and it came here. So I have daily percent of 0.69%. So that's just it. Tomorrow now the money will keep increasing daily. So that's just it, and that pattern of any, just keep it at this balance box and be I like to be adding percentage for you. So if you want to transfer it out to your boss, you can go and click transfer out. Transfer out now, you can now type the amount you want, then they will take it back to your balance. So from your balance you can now withdraw or do anything you want from it. But I'll not be moving it. I just want it to be I just want my balance to be like this. So I can just so when you go back now to my balance, you see I still have that 4 naira here. So that's just the way to go about this side. So you can just go ahead and start earning from this side now. If you find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and like this video. Also share this video as well. Alright, guys, see you in my next video, guys. I'll be dropping a WhatsApp link, so you can just go ahead, join the WhatsApp link, and so you can be able to drop your question if you have any questions from this video. Alright, see you guys.